In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp Hierarchy, how to set up your ClickUp Workspace. By the end, you'll understand how spaces, folders, and lists fit together so you can build a clean, scalable setup that keeps work organized and easy to navigate. First, open ClickUp in your browser and head to your workspace. Give the page a moment to load so all your options appear. Think of this as your home base. Everything you create will live inside your workspace, so it's worth pausing to make sure you're in the right place if you manage more than one. Next, click on Create Space. A space is the highest level of organization beneath your workspace and usually represents a department, a team, or a major function like marketing, operations, or product. Choose a clear, simple name that everyone will recognize and keep naming consistent across your organization. If your team spans multiple locations or business units, consider adding a short prefix so spaces are easy to scan later. Inside your new space, click on Folder. Folders help you group related work within that space. Think of them like containers for projects or major work streams. For example, within a marketing space, you might have a campaigns folder, a content production folder, or an events folder. Use folders to separate ongoing processes from time-bound initiatives, so planning and reporting stay tidy. When you're ready, click on Create to add the folder. This locks in the structure so you can begin organizing the details. Keep folder names action-oriented and specific. If you manage repeating projects, use the same naming pattern each time so your team knows exactly what lives where at a glance. Inside the folder, click on Lists. A list is where the actual tasks will live. Each list should represent a single project, a sprint, a deliverable group, or a discrete phase of work. Clear list names make it much easier to track progress, filter views, and keep conversations focused. Finally, click on Create to finalize the list. You now have a complete path: workspace to space, space to folder, and folder to list. That hierarchy keeps work neatly nested and makes permissions, reporting, and views more powerful. As you build, keep names short and consistent, avoid duplicating purposes across folders, and map lists to real outcomes. With this foundation in place, your team can confidently add tasks, apply statuses, and collaborate without clutter.